Hey guys, so I'm here to show you today a project we completed this summer in Cochrane, Alberta. This is a villa community in Riviera. This backyard took us about 2.5 weeks to complete with a 5-man crew. And as you can see, there are about 11 pallets of concrete precast product just in this backyard alone. So we've got a few different ground covers here. We've got the 40 mil Rundle. We've got some 48-inch river rock that creates our dry creek bed. We've got some Rundle irregular boulders put in here and some Douglas Fir premium mulch. Now, all of these areas are segregated by some PVC edging to kind of keep everything where it belongs, keep that maintenance to a minimum. Got a beautiful little piece of driftwood here. And then we've got this wood feature here that takes our eavestrough off the roof of the house, runs it here, down a beautiful little rain chain into our functional dry creek bed. Now behind me here, we've got this beautiful little seating area. This is a Dimension 6 Expo-crete paver. And so this is a great area for, having your wine, morning coffee, reading the paper. So the fence was existing when we started the project, so you can see where our access was really tight. So everything had to go through this 36-inch opening here. But we walk right through from our 20 mil limestone back onto our Dimension 6 patio from Expo-crete, right down a beautiful set of stairs here. This is a Pisa wall with reversa caps in charcoal. So we've got a few steps here down to a lower level patio where you've got a little more privacy down here. Now when you look at this wall, so we were a multi-course wall here, multi-level. Something that was really cool is these hidden drains. So we've got water management, and you can see right here this really small outlet for the water to come through the wall so that we make sure we have structural integrity with this wall. Again, we've got some Rundle stepping stones to complement our 40 mil Rundle, some mulch here, some Douglas Fir premium, and this brings us up to our second level, back up to a upper level patio where you're getting amazing mountain views, you've got river views, you've got a walking path right there. So this is a great spot if you want to be up a little higher to just get those views in, whereas the lower, you've got the privacy. We've also been able to address the severe grade and slope of this yard by adding the 2-tiered retaining wall. There are multiple access points to the beautiful river you see over here. And so now they have accessibility to the walking paths, the river, as well as to their multiple seating areas.